wheel down on the ground. Pull it out. Yeah. Well, good morning again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are coming to you from Wake Forest, North Carolina. And we are on some greenways out here that Michelle has managed to find again. So join us and let's see what we got going on in this area. Right out of the gate, we run into this beautiful little spot in the creek right here. What a cool little place, and we can't be a quarter of a mile from the start. One of the things that's kind of a little unique here is a long boardwalk going through this, and this is through the bottom area. And yeah, I've not seen one this long before. We followed it for quite a while before I decided I need to go ahead and record this. Neat little thing. They even got trails coming off from the side of it. A lot of kudos to whoever come up with the idea of putting a greenway through here, because this could be a real maintenance nightmare. So we're out about 2 3/4 of a mile so far, and what a fun little trail. What a fun little trail. Back there in the bottoms, it was boardwalk all the way. How you doing today? Got one coming on your right. Is that electric?
It is, yeah.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Do you?
Yeah, what type is yours?
Well, this is actually, it's a Trek Marlin 7, but
okay.
It's we put a Bafang motor on it.
Oh, you built it yourself?
Yeah.
And you mounted the battery yourself? Okay.
Yeah, my wife has a Rad City 5 that she's riding.
Well, this is Ride One Up, it's called.
Okay, you know what? I have heard a lot about them. Is that right? That's good. That's good for
Well, yeah, because usually, you know, like I said, I don't usually, like, you know, coming up out of here, you come under the bridge, or under the tunnel, I'll put it in 3.
Right. And go ahead and pull you up the hill, yeah.
And then if I keep going up, you know, to get to the city street, then, you know, that's a big hill.
And so, but yeah, you know, I almost bought one of the Ride One Ups when we got started with it, and I ended up getting an Eco Trick fat tire bike, and I liked it so much that I went out and built this one.
Is that right? Is your wife riding the Eco Trick?
No, she's riding a Rad City 5, and
one of the lighter bikes.
yeah, that I was going to say that's pretty light. That's pretty light.
You can tell the difference when I ride my other bike, or if I lift my other bike, especially. It's like, God, you know? Yeah. But you know, the pedal assist sort of makes it up.
Yeah, no question about it, unless it goes dead.
Well, but I noticed you've got that sort of extra handlebar.
Yeah.
The red thing. Where did you get that?
You can get them on Amazon. They're called a handlebar extension or extender.
Okay.
And they're like $10 or so.
Okay.
And
because, you know, again, I'd like to maybe put it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Have my hands a little higher.
You know what?
It's like a cable, you know?
Right.
I've already extended this like 3.5 inches. And as far as it can go.
Yeah. Get one of these. They're very good. Very good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm going to have to turn around. What was your first name?
Roland. I'm Roland.
Roland, I'm Blaine.
Hey, Blaine. I'm going through here. I'm going to turn around too.
All right. Yeah. Well, I missed my route. I've got this routed out to go somewhere. All right. Have a good one. I appreciate the conversation. So that was a Ride One Up bike. Very interesting. So we found our way out into a neighborhood, and I believe we're bypassing a very heavy section of road that we would have to travel on to make this route really work out the way we wanted to. And we really wanted to do this loop. So we're just going to bypass that real heavy section by missing a little bit of the greenway and cutting in on the neighborhood. So, and we are on adventure now, because there's nothing supposed to be here. But I believe we are going to find that greenway back. I am almost sure of it. Oh, so close, yet so far. Well, okay, so we tried to find a way back to the greenway, and I did, sort of, kinda. But we're gonna have to do a little more than off-road for this one. So, Michelle, just put your bike right there and go to the other side.
Now, watch that wire.
Yeah. We got it. All right, is your bike turned off?
No.
Okay, well, we're gonna turn it off. Just balance the handlebars, or the front wheel is fine. Oh. Well, there you go, that's balancing them. Roll it on out. There you go. It's okay.
Yeah, so it says the rain got us lost.
Bend my bike back this way so we can see.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, put mine over here so we got some good film. But yours is a little heavier. Just put it down there, that's fine.
Lord, please.
Okay. There we go. Set the front wheel down on the ground. Roll it out. There.
All right.
And there we go. You got it?
Which direction are we going?
Well, this way would be back. Or we can go out that way further.
Are you sure?
Lots of people go this way.
Yeah.
Some folks go that way.
Yeah.
Of course, both ways.
There's a short for you.
If I only had a brain. So we're going to take the Cardinal Crest Lane. That's probably a connector. Well, let's see. Let's just see. Is it nice?
Beautiful.
Oh, well, we have got to get down there then. We have just been informed. It is beautiful. So we've got to go down and check it out. And of course, I didn't have to get off the bike at all when I was attached to my chest mount, but now I'm going to have to get off here. I guess I did back at that other waterfall. Oh yeah, this is what we used to call a swimming hole.
Definitely a swimming hole.
Nowadays, that would not be right. You can't swim in these polluted waters. But what a pretty, pretty place.
Never know what you'll find in my life.
And I believe no problem I could get my bike down across there and hit them trails on the other side. No problem. So we've been out here exploring Wake Forest, North Carolina. We're about, looks like about 12 miles in, 11 and a half miles in, something like that. And we're probably a couple miles out unless we can find another greenway that breaks off of this, which there might be. And so we may have to go follow one of them. How you doing today? So it looks like that's going to about wrap it up for Wake Forest Greenway here. Definitely a place we're going to have to come back to and explore some more. They had a whole ton of them here. I was really shocked at how many were here. So, but we're at about 13 and a half miles, and we're probably about a quarter of a mile out, maybe not even quite that much. So I think that's going to wrap it up for Wake Forest here, Internet. So until the next time we see you again, stay safe, God bless, keep them wheels rolling. Once again, we're out.